It all started 2 years back. I think those were the COVID times for us, where we were just stuck into our homes, not able to move out, no outing, no partying, no get togethers. And I think that was the moment which triggered no, we need a break. This cannot go on. Though we are sitting at home, we need something which keeps us motivated, which keeps us alive. I think that was the exact moment where we thought we will be working on our thoughts, on our ideas, on our creativities. The first workshop I did on candle making, the first learning part of candle making, it took around 3 hours for me to move there to come back. And apart from that, I had around 6 to 7 hours actual workshop. So yeah, it took time for me to understand candle making is not going to be a very easy thing. It's going to take a lot of patience. And that is how we came up with urban flickers for the very first time. I usually start my day with the morning chores, the regular stuff, a walk with my pet. Usually in the morning hours and in the late evenings, I see to it that I personally go and deliver the candles to my customers. That helps me in knowing what the customer actually wants, what are their needs, what are they actually looking forward when they are ordering a particular candle. When I was talking with one of my customers, he said my wife is expecting and let's try to have a candle for the gender reveal maybe.
And this is the part where the actual motivation of the gender reveal candle that we have came into its existence.
Which is usually a plain candle which appears white in color, but when you lit it, it glows into blue or pink. So yeah, that talking to the customers on an individual basis and on a personal level helps us in getting to know what new things could be added to our production also. Apart from just being on the delivery, I also see to it that we work on our inventory, what raw materials we need, from what vendors we need to bring in, designing the candle, thinking about what the candle could be, making the candles. The candles are very delicate with intricate design, and it needs to reach the customers unharmed without any kind of damage. And I think Scooty helps me in doing that. The storage space that we have under the seat or near the footboard helps me in keeping my stuff intact and safe. Especially in the city like Pune, wherein the traffic is a havoc and using four-wheelers is not an option at all. So I think over there, Scooty was something which helped me out in delivering and reaching our customers at the perfect time. I can go on to 3 different places, 4 different places. I can reach people with my Scooty more easily than I could do it with any of my other vehicles.
Every daughter imagines doing stuff for her parents. It was my wish come true, or let's say a pride-filled moment when Scooty Teen Z became the part of our family 9 years back.
I have purchased this Scooty with my early earnings. It was the early days of my working. Scooty have always been a part of our family since then.
My mother still prefers using our Scooty, especially while going out on the grocery shopping. In the last 9 years of owning the Scooty Teen Z, it has been super low on maintenance, and I have had a truly carefree ride wherever I go. Being an entrepreneur, being my own boss, I can experiment new designs, I could explore my imaginations, and can try out a hand on my creativity. I think I really enjoy this about my business.
A wish come true, being practical, and a lot useful. It still helps us in managing my stuff, moving around through the city, and it has always got the soft corner in our hearts.